Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. So they sent me 67 makeups and the topic is about the 5 best and 5 worst makeup. It is very hard to pick out the top 5 because I like most of makeup. So I'll just quickly go over all the makeups and then let's pick the top 5 one and the 5 worst makeup. This video is sponsored by SHEGLAM. I like most makeups they sent me, so I didn't pick out those makeup, they just sent me randomly. Some of those colors just don't fit me. And let's start with eyeshadows. So this one is orange tone. I will just test a few on my arm. I like this color. Honestly, I don't really like high pigment eyeshadow. I prefer the color is light, not too much. And here's a gold one. I like the bling bling eyeshadow. Let's try this color. So I like the eyeshadow that has bling bling eyeshadows. And let's try one more color. I will try this one. I think it's good. This is another eyeshadow. The design is very pretty. I like the packaging. I really love how they designed the palette. And let's try the base color. I'll try it on my hands. Looks nice. And then I will do like the brown. I like it. It's not too dark. This one's sparkling. Wow, it's very pretty. This one's sparkling. Wow, I will keep this one. Here's another one. The tone is pink. I like this color. And this one is sparkling. It's a little bit sparkling. I like this set. And another one is the chocolate. I love the design. It's very delicious. It smells delicious. And it looks delicious. I like the design. And I will try a lighter color. So in this palette, only have one color. It's sparkling. This one is a sparkling. I think this one is my favorite. It's got 2 colors that's sparkling. This one has to be on my top favorite. I will do this eyeshadow on my eyes. Base color. I got some sparkling eyeshadow on my eyelid. Some sparkling on my here. It looks very natural. I think this one's perfect for daily wear. So I like to wear makeup that looks natural. I think this pen is especially to draw silkworm. 卧蚕 to draw this part. 卧蚕 can make your eyes look bigger, younger, so you can see the differences. I naturally has a little bit silkworm naturally, so when I draw silkworm, it makes my silkworm more obvious. So I like this pen. This pen is useful for me. So the next one on my favorite list should be the mascara. I tried this one time. It works great. So it has 2 sides. So one side is thinner and another side is thicker, bigger, smaller. I prefer use this side. I will test it on my eyes. I will curl my lashes first. I really love the lashes curler. It works great. You can see that my lashes still looks nice and clean. And to make my lashes look pretty long. So the mascara is on my top 5 favorite list. I like this one. It makes my lashes long and clean. So the next one is eyeliner pencil. This one's brown. Color is very light. It makes my eyes look natural. And if I want to make my silkworm more obvious, maybe I can draw a little bit down here. This eyes looks very big. I'm not wearing the colored contacts yet. When I wear the colored contacts, it'll make my eyes even bigger. I like this one. I'll keep it. It looks very natural. So this one's liquid eyeliner. I think I like this one more than the pencil. I think this one is on my top 5 favorite. So I need to pick out one more. I think I will choose the lipstick. The color looks natural. It's not too red. I think it's close to my lip color. So this one is on my top 5 favorite. So I already picked out my top 5 favorite. The eyeshadow, silkworm pen, and mascara, eyeliner, and lip gloss. And next I will pick out the worst 5 makeups. So I will leave this eye without makeup. There are a lot of nice makeup. It'll be hard to pick out the 5 worst makeups. So this one is chocolate lip gloss. It smells like chocolate. I don't think I will use it because the color is brown. I don't use brown lip gloss, so even though this one smells delicious, but I don't think I will use it. So this one is like an ingredient sponge. I like the color and the material feels very nice. It feels good. I'll keep that one. And more lip gloss. This one has no colors, I think. Yeah, this one has no colors. I like this color. This one is sparkling. A little bit pinkish. I think I like this set. I'll keep those for now. Highlight. It's hard to see the color, so it just makes your skin sparkling. Liquid highlight. The packaging is very pretty. It's sparkling. I better wash those color off. So I will redo this again. Liquid highlight. So it just make your skin sparkling. It is pretty. I think I could use those on my eyelids as like a highlight. The color is vanilla. Like to highlight my eyelids. It makes your skin like shiny. No, I will not keep this one. This color is like the champagne color. Sparkling. So this one's champagne and champagne pink and gray. Like that. Wow. I think I will keep this one. I think I like this one more than the highlight pencil. Those should be on my top 5 list. It has 2 sides, the pencil, and another side is liquid. The color is very light. Maybe I can use it to draw bottom lashes. Yes, it looks nice. I use it to draw like a little bit bottom lashes. Let me try another one. This one's darker. I'll keep this one because this one's lip liner and it's brown. It's not useful for me. It's also brown. Jaw inner eyeliner. It has 2 ends. I guess you can use this for your lips. This one is not right color for me. I think I'll just keep this one to draw the inner eyeliner. Here are lashes. So I don't wear false lashes now. So those are useless for me. And also this brush. I don't have any use for that. So this is blush for cheeks. Yeah, I don't like the color. It's too pink. I don't really use blush and my cheeks already pink because I'm hot. I will not keep this one. So this one's face primer. I will just test for you guys. So it's a prime. I don't think I like it. I don't want to put this on my face. No, I will not use it. The container looks pretty. And those are powders. I use different brand powders. So those are useless for me. I received 3. Those 3 is foundation balm. I think I will use this one nude. The packaging is very nice. And I reviewed this before, if you guys remember. I tested those before. The coverage is really good. Right here. I had 2 pimples and it's almost covered, so I like this. The coverage is pretty good. Those 3 are also foundation. So this one is a long-lasting matte foundation. The color received is Fair, Share, and Nude. So this one I will just open the color Fair. I like the bottle. It's made of glass. Okay, a little bit. Let me see. It's very easy to apply. It does not feel oily and it doesn't look flaky. I think I like this foundation more than the foundation balm. So I'm not sure about the ingredient. But so far it feels good for my skin. I just know they look good, really good on my skin. So the other 2 are Share and Nude. I'm surprised how the foundation feels on my skin because there are a lot of foundation they can make my skin dry or look flaky. But this foundation make my skin looks really good. I'm very surprised at how good the foundation is. It is very lightweight and it's fragrance free. I just don't know about the ingredient. I have no idea. It just feels nice on my skin. It feels like a filter on my skin. I love it. This side of my skin is not shining and you can see my forehead. Very shining, it's oil. Those 3 are hydrating foundation. I think I will do the color Fair as well. The packaging is very pretty. It's also made of glass. So I will try a little bit on this side of my cheeks. Yeah, it is very easy to spread out. So the feel of this foundation is same like this one. Maybe this one is a little bit sticky. This one feels smoother, and this one is a little bit, just a little bit sticky, but not much. Coverage is good. My skin looks silky, and it's brighten my skin a little bit. The hydrating foundation is more liquid than the matte. You can see the color of my face is lighter than my neck. I haven't got a chance to put on makeup for these eyes. I'm recording this part of video on a different day because my son was crying after his nap. He's napping right now. So let's continue review the makeup. This one is a foundation brush. It's very soft foundation brush. It's useless for me because I don't use a brush to apply foundation. I prefer a sponge or just my hand. And next one is blush for cheeks. Texture is very soft. The color is not too much. I don't wear blush on my cheeks. The packaging is very cute. Here it has more brush. This one also foundation brush. Very soft brush. So I don't use brush, so I don't have any use for this one. Next one is brow raising wax stick. It has two ends. One is wax, another one is a brush. I don't use wax on my eyebrow, so I don't think I will use this one. This one is setting spray. Wow, very cute box. I don't use setting spray. I will just test it for you guys. It smells like cherry. I don't use setting spray on my face, so I won't use this one. I don't like to put a lot of products on my face. And the next one is also a setting spray. The color is blue. Wow, I like the color. Both setting spray has fragrance in it. I don't use setting spray, so I have no comments on those products. The bottle looks nice. The next one is also a brush. So I like this brush. So this brush shapes like a paw. I guess if I use powder products, I could use this brush. Very soft. I love the color and I love the design. I think I'll keep this one. So this one is lip tint. It's brown. I don't wear brown color on my lips. This one is lip gloss. It smells like fruit. This color is clear, just a lip gloss. I don't use lip gloss, so I don't think I will use this one. This one is lipstick. The color is dusty red. Yeah, I think maybe I'll keep this one. It's not bright red. I will try this on my lips. It's not too bad. I think I'll keep this one. Dusty red. The color is like a red bean. So this one is concealer. The texture is creamy. I will try this on my hair. The coverage is not bad. I think I will keep this one. The coverage is pretty good. Another lip gloss, and this one is clear. I don't use lip gloss. I would prefer to use Vaseline on my lips, not lip gloss. So this one is eyelash glue. I think I'll keep this one just in case I wear false lashes in the future. So it's got a little brush, so it's easy to apply glue on the fake lashes. Keep this one. This one just a brown pencil, so it's not right color for me. This one's another lip gloss. The color is rose. Yeah, I like those two colors. The packaging is nice. So here has more lip gloss. Yeah, I don't wear lip gloss. And you can see the color is brown. So no, I will not use this one. Wow, I guess you could use this on your lips, not just your cheeks. I actually like the color. If on your cheeks, you can spread it out. So I'll keep this one. I might just use this on my lips. So another liquid brush, and it's brown. I will not keep this one. This one's lip tint. So this is more like a foundation color, like a beige. No, I will not keep this one. My son just said no. He was talking the dream. So the next one is lipstick, and it's brown. I won't use this one. What is this one? Okay, this one is freckle. like draw freckles. I don't need freckles on my face, so I will not keep this one. So this is eyebrow gel. I don't use gel on my eyebrow. I use the liquid eyebrow pen. I guess this one you could also like draw eyeliner. Looks like it won't smudge. So this one's not bad. So maybe I'll use this one on my eyebrows. I really like the color, doesn't smudge. I will test it again. It's good. I'll keep this one. The next one is highlighter pencil. The color is mixed olive with gold, so it's green. It doesn't smudge, so this part is good. I will not keep this one. I don't know how I will use it. So the next one is glitter, gel glitter. It's sticky. I don't like to use sticky makeup on my face, so I don't like this one. Even the color is good. I guess you could use for photo shoot, but I don't like to use glitter gel on my face. I don't like the sticky feel on my face, so I don't like this one. So this one is on my top 5 worst list. Brow gel. I don't like to use sticky gel on my face. No. So this one is also on my top 5 worst list. This one is liquid blush. The color is, so this one is pink. I don't prefer to wear pink tone makeup on my face, including eyeshadow. I don't prefer to wear pink tone. I don't like this color. Maybe it's on my top 5 worst list. This one is glitter. Maybe I can use it a little bit on here, like under my eyes, like here. So the glitter is very close to my eyes. It doesn't irritate my eyes. I think I'll keep this one. I like the color. This one is also glitter. This one is much better than that, because that one is really like glue. This one is actually very pretty, even though it's sticky. You could put a little bit on your cheeks. So if you like to do the kawaii makeup, this one will make your cheeks sparkling. I like this one if I want to dress up one day like Harajuku fashion, and this one might be useful for the makeup. Bling bling on your cheeks. This one's liquid highlighter, and I actually love the color. It's pretty. It's make your skin like shining. I'll keep this one. It's very pretty color. The color is like champagne. My son poked a hole. Yeah, this one's for cheeks, or you can use on your lips as well. I like this shade. I can use this on my lips as well. I like this color, so I will keep this one. Highlighter for your body. This color is very pretty. I really like this color. If you like dance on the stage, this highlight will make your body outstanding. The color is champagne. You spread it out. It's not sticky. It's like lotion, so it's blending with your own skin color. It's not sticky at all. It just makes my skin sparkling. I think this one would be perfect if you go to a party and then you wear the shimmering dress, like soft velvet dress that has a little bit shimmering, and you apply it on your skin, like on your legs, on your arms. I think you will look outstanding. I'll keep this one just for future use. The last one is water activated shadow palette. So the color is very, it's not for daily wear. I don't like the colors. It's like the makeup kits for girls. It includes a tiny water spray. I like the water spray. Maybe I'll just keep the bottle. I'll just spray some water on it. So the color is, I don't think it's for my face, so I don't like this one. I'll just keep the spray bottle. I think the bottle is perfect for traveling. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of my perfumes and when I go travel in the future. So this has to be on my top 5 worst list. So those are the ones on my top 5 worst list. Brow gel, water activated shadow palette, glitter, and some of those lip gloss because I don't use those. I think this one is also on my top 5 worst makeup because look at the lashes, they're too much. That's all for today's video, and I'll give the link in the description box. Please check it out. That's a lot of makeup. I don't need to buy makeup for a long time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.